friends, and welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today we are going to draw an ice cream cone. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. All right, so we are going to start with the cone part, all right? And this is what shape? Yeah, that's like a triangle. So we're going to do a big V for that ice cream cone. So I would say about halfway up your paper, right? We've got half cone, half ice cream. And so we'll do half cone with our big V at the bottom. All right, and then you can come back up and connect it. All right, everybody at your V? Okay, now let's do a line across for the top of that ice cream cone. And that's kind of a straight line. It's going to overlap our V just a little bit. Okay, good. Now do two little lines on each side. Boop and boop. And that is the top of our ice cream cone. Now there is a top line there, but we can't see it because the ice cream is starting to drip over the top of the cone. So let's start drawing our ice cream scoops. All right, now you all be thinking about what flavor ice creams we're doing. What is dripping over the side here? So we've got kind of a curvy line for the drip, and you all decide how drippy is your cone gonna be. Is it melting a lot? Is it just a little bit? All right, and I've got my first drip line. Now, the sides of the ice cream scoop are curved lines, right? Because it's that round scoop. So come up and do one curve here on the left, right? And one curve on the right, okay? So now we've got our base layer of ice cream. I'm thinking mint chocolate chip. One of my favorite. All right, now let's do our next scoop. Is going to be a little bit smaller. They're going to get smaller as they go up. So we're going to do this drip line too. Maybe I've got a big drip coming down here on this layer and a little bit of another drip here. All right, and I'll connect to there. And now I'm going to do my next curve line. All right, so this one's a little bit smaller so it can sit on top of that one. And you all remember, if I'm ever going too quickly, you can always pause the video, right? Until you catch up. Okay, now let's do our third drip line for our third scoop of ice cream. All right, maybe a bigger drip here in the middle. Okay, and then just some baby drips there. So we got our drippy line. We're gonna do two more curves, and this one's a little bit smaller too, right? And then we're just gonna connect our curve at the top for our top scoop of ice cream. So whichever side you wanna start from and connect your curve. Nice, you've got your ice cream cone with your 3 scoops of ice cream on it. All right, what else do we need? What details do we need? Yes. The stripes on the cone, right? Our lines. And these are kind of like a checkerboard, but they're a little bit curved lines. So they're diagonal lines, but they're slightly curved. So I'm gonna start here, kind of go here. Maybe I'll get, looks like 3 or 4 curves on that one. Maybe a little one down here. Okay, so it's like a stripe going this way. And then the other lines are gonna curve the opposite direction. So I'll start on this side and do a curve here and jump over and do a curve here. All right, maybe one about here. There. Nice. All right, do I need one at the very bottom? Maybe. Perfect. All right, how's your ice cream cone looking? That was pretty simple, right? Now yours may not look exactly like mine. Look, these two don't even look exactly the same. That's okay. The important thing is that you're learning how to draw and you're having fun while you're doing it, right? All right, so shall we add color? Definitely. This ice cream cone definitely needs some color because I want to know what flavors your ice cream is. Now I've got my colored pencils here. You all could use markers, you could use crayons, you could even paint it, whatever you've got. I'm gonna do colored pencils, and I've got my green because I want mint chocolate chip. I think I'm gonna do maybe like peanut butter, that's one of my favorite, and then strawberry. All right, and then I've got some brown for the cone. Now I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you can always stop at the end if you want to see how I colored mine in and match my colors. You can do that. All right, but what flavors are you doing? What are your favorite flavor ice creams? My son loves mint chocolate chip. I do too. So we're gonna do mint chocolate chip, and I love chocolate and peanut butter. I mean, delicious. And then finally, strawberry on top. All right, I think I'm done with my ice cream cone. I've got my strawberry, my peanut butter, and my mint chocolate chip layer. And I added a little bit of shadows right here on the cone and on the edge just to give it the illusion that it's a little bit rounded there. So that's a cool technique that you could do if you want to make it look a little bit more curved, make it darker around the edges. You could do that on your ice cream cone too. Press a little harder with your pencil, or use a little slightly darker shade of the color to make it look round. All right, great job with your ice cream cones, friends. I can't wait to see them when you share them with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids and get your cone uploaded into our Club Firefly gallery. Until next time, keep on drawing. Remember, it's just lines.